Okay, so you need to copy a bunch of articles from this website to probably your new website. How do you do that? Now, initially, you might think, well, it's just better to get someone to do this. The person just has to copy all the text and the images and download them and all of that kind of stuff. Well, what if there was an easier and a simpler way? So, the first thing now we are going to do is to figure out what we can get from the URL that is sending us the article. So, when I make a get request, let's say I try to go directly to the URL that is sending the article from the back, then you can see that we are getting this. We are getting this JSON object here. And this is awesome because with this, if I can get just a sample of what is coming from the backend here, then all I have to do is to ask Claude. Here's the question. I'll just go ahead and say, I need you to help me write a JavaScript script that I can run on the terminal that will visit this URL that we know we can get the articles from and get all the posts from the previous website for each of the posts it will create a new text file with the title of the post, the body, and also get me the cover image and all of that. And guess what? Claude wrote this script in a couple of seconds, saving us hours of trying to recruit someone to do this for us. So here's the script here. All we have to do now is to copy this script and then paste it into VS Code or whatever form of text editor that we have and try to run it. So here's my editor. I'm using PayAI editor here. It turned out I only needed to change the name of the file from .js to .cjs, and then I'll have to rerun the script. And there we go. Look at that. We were successfully able to export 25 articles, and we can find them more in this exported articles folder. So let's look at that. And when you check that, you realize that we have the title, the except the content, and sometimes if the article has a cover image or any other links, the script was able to get all of that for us, including the metadata. Isn't that awesome? All right, guys. So if you are still here, I'm grateful, and I'll be even more grateful if you can like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.